Hello everyone, this is Payal Lakda from Upside Down Labs. In today's video, we will give you a brief about Chords Python, which is an open source Python script designed to visualize and record biopotential signals by seamlessly integrate with the BioAmp hardware. It is ideal for educational purposes as it promotes DIY neuroscience and makes it accessible and explorable for students and researchers. It is equipped with a lot of features like first, it automatically detects and connects Arduino development boards running Chords Arduino firmware for hassle-free setup. Second, it logs biopotential signals into a timestamped CSV files. We will see in later videos how to do post-processing of these files. Third, it enables you to set a timer for your desired recording duration. Fourth, it provides real-time statistical insights like sample counter, sampling rate and drift, which is essential for checking the signal stability and accuracy. Fifth, it can invert the signal on its baseline. The last and the most desired feature for students and researchers is the LSL integration for the biopotential signal transmission over the same Wi-Fi network, allowing visualization through softwares like BrainVision LSL Viewer. The lab streaming layer also enhances the Chords Python versatility for collaborative research in shared environment. This feature helps in multi-device synchronization, which makes this script a valuable asset for the researchers. We will follow the instructions provided in the README of the project to set up Chords Python. First, you should install the latest version of Python from the Microsoft Store. Then we have to flash the Arduino firmware to our board. Now to run the script, the first step is to create and activate a virtual environment. This allows you to manage project-specific packages and versions without interfering with the other projects or the global Python environment, making your projects more stable and easier to maintain. Execute this command in your virtual environment to install the dependencies needed to run this script. Now let's download the BrainVision LSL Viewer application. The link is in the description box. To install, double-click on the file you downloaded, then click on Run Anyway, Next, I agree, Next, Install, and then Finish. Now you can start the Python script by running python code.py in the terminal, which will display all the available options. Note that the script automatically detects the Arduino board's port and the default baud rate is set to 230400. However, if you want to specify them, you can do so with -p port name and -b baud rate. Just remember, if you change the baud rate here, you must update it in the Arduino firmware as well. To use it with the hardware, you can use the command shown on the screen to start CSV recording and LSL stream for 10 minutes. Here the -CSV flag is used to record data in a timestamped file for later analysis. The -v option gives detailed feedback on statistical data. The -t option is to run the program for a specific number of seconds before it automatically exits. We are using -t 600 to run the program for 600 seconds. The -LSL flag starts the LSL stream. Now to visualize the LSL stream, open the BrainVision LSL Viewer. The first step is to connect to the stream. Click the connect button and it will display all the available streams. You can then select and connect to your stream. Once connected, the stream will be visible in the viewer. Optionally, if the electrodes are placed incorrectly, you can view the signal correctly by using the command -inverter, which inverts the signal. For a smooth signal, you have to stop the stream and click on the configuration, then apply filters as per your requirements. Now as we start the signal, we can see the signal with less noise. If you want to interrupt the program, you can do so by pressing Ctrl+C. Here you can see a timestamp CSV file is created which contains all the recorded data. So that's a quick overview of how you can start using Chords Python for your data acquisition project. We will be sharing more videos soon. Till then, share your feedback or suggestions in the comment section below. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Till then, bye-bye.